Okay, so first from this figure we will find out pre-order. So pre-order formula is root, left, right. Okay, so first we will search the root. F is our root, we will write F here first. Then left, this is our left part. So here which one is root? G is root, so we will write G. Then left part is I, so we will go to I. Then right, in right this is root, so first we will take root, that is J. Then left is K, and then right is L. So we have done our left part after root. Now we will go to right part. In right part this is our root H. Then left we will go, that is P. Then right we will go. This is our right part of H, but M is our root, so we write M. Then left of M is O, and the right L. That is our pre-order. Next, in order. That means left, root, right. Now you see, this is root, left side is G. The most left, because G is also root, left of G is I, so we will write first I. Then we will go to root, that is G, so we will write G here. Then right, because first left, then root, then right. Right, J is the right part, but J is having left, so we will write K first, left. Then root is J, and then right, L. That means our left part is over. Now we will write the root, that is F. After this, what we will do, we will check our right part. This one is right part, so this is the rightmost root we have. Then we will get the left part of this, P. P is the left of H, we will write here P. Then we will write root, that is H. Then right. M is having left part, so first we will write O. Then root M, and lastly right N. Now next one is post order. That is left, right, and root. So first left we will see which one is left. This is left part. This is left part, so it is root. It has also left, that is I. So it is the leftmost. I will write first. Then after I we will go to right, that is J. We cannot take G because it is not root, it is root. So we will go to right part, J. But J is having left part, K. So we will write K here. Then we will go to right part, L. Then we can write J, that is our root. Now after finishing this full part, we will go to root, that is J. Now our left part is over, that is our root. We cannot take this. First we have to finish the right part, because after left it is right, left, then right, then root. So it is the right part. Right part H is, it is a root of the right part, so it has a left part, it is P, so we will write here P. Then right part we will go, because after left we will go to right. It is also a root, it has left and right, so we will write first left, that is O. Then right part N, then our root. Then the left part is over, right part is over. Now we will write the root H, and the original root, main root, F. That is our pre-order, in order, and post order.